Say hi.
I don't know how to speak English, you know.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. We drink Coke, you know. Coke is Coke. Now you know. Coke is better than Coke. I'm too shy to do. I'm too shy to ask. I'm too shy to lose. Hey, you care and I don't care. Who cares?
Female version of Dietrich.
No, I'm not. Whose cellphone is there?
See, I told you.
You want me to tutor you in English? Come over here. No, don't talk to me in English. I don't understand you when you speak English. It's Tagalog.
Ay, Tagalog. Fairness, diretso mo, diba? Diba?
You're not believing me. Oh, whose bag is there? In Tagalog, kanino bag ito?
Yes, Nora. Yes.
Oh, what are you gonna do, Aina? Para may script.
There, look at them.
Hello, we're going music video and I don't know what kind of music video it is, you know.
She's our version of Lady Gaga here in Philippines.
Rock and roll!
She's nerd. She look like who? She's nerd. Kabudul! Her name is the same and she's hi. Yes. And this is Mary.
Ay, meron!
Oh. And this is Angela. Angela, say, show your face here. And this is our little boy, Andre. Oh my God. She's Aina. She's crying. I look at her, I mean.
Hey, I just
Call her. Call her. Maybe. Oh my God. Look at her. What do you think you're doing? She's crazy. Yeah, she is crazy. Oh my God. She's... So she's Aina.
Going to make music video. Yes, teach me how to do it.
They're doing the doggy dance. Look at her face. She put what do you call that?
No, it's a falling rain.
Falling rain comes from your eye. Look at her. There's a heart there.
And star.
And the other side is
Eyeshadow. And the smiley.
a smiley on her forehead.
Yes, and this is do not. Do not eat. Do not. And this is buta, called in here Philippines. And
What do you call that?
boots, rain boots.
Rain boots.
And this is alampay.
Curtain.
That aswang use.
Honestly, that is their curtain.
Oh, I'm so hot.
Oh my God. Look at the pussycat. Pussycat society. Hi.
Pusikat dog.
Bakit ikaw ito?
Ayun. I'm this tall.
But crazy.
Oh.
What is her name? Tell them what is her name.
No, there.
Apple ang Rapibal.
Wave!
Say hi to your mommy. Practice your English that I teach you.
Ulit! Ano lang? Digitrix version. Girl version.
Ay, siya.
Ay, bakit? Oy, paano yung Asian face? Wala picture, no? Asian face. Why Digitrix? What is that? Basta kayo bang kulay, oh.
She's so very fast, no. In English, beggar. Oh, black, but I'm white, you know.
Tol, gusto mo bibigyan kita. Yung mukha ni Tol, mamanting ka yan. Okay, nabasa. That, what do you call that? Corn garlic.
Cornic with vinegar.
Ako ang bansang Pilipinas. Mahal ko ang mika ko.
I love my language. Oh, nakatama.
Saan? Mailong. Translate it in English.
Up your forehead. Down your nose.
This is the same.
In America, Coca-Cola called red wine. I know. In America, Coke called Coke. Here in Philippines, Coke called red wine.
Mary. Say hi. Speak in English.
Speak in English. You always, you like,
Saan daw?
Sutusan.
Nani.
Sutusan na.
Yaya. Bubuga yun. Follow.
You want me to follow you? Oh my God. Okay, Ivy.
We're trying hard to speak English, to say.
No, I'm not trying hard because I'm galing-galing in English. In English, I'm very good.
Robo.
Robo sa robo. Ay, nag-ano ka kanta na alam namin, malising kami.
Oo nga, sige. Gusto ko yan! Gusto ko yan! O, mag-video ko. Ayoko! Dito na lang, okay.
The magic chocolate going down! I'm throwing away!
Hindi mo na ako nag-ahanap.
Lasing! Hindi na mo sabihin matatapos. Ano? Lazy song. Ay, hindi, ano?
Don't ruin!
Payphone.
Don't ruin! Because magic going down!
Payphone. Ano? Lazy. Bahala ka. Ngayon, laro na sila.
Ay, ito na lang over 2 seconds.
Sex on the beach.
Ito na lang.
Post ko na ha.